Hey everyone, today, we're building a dual lithium battery charger that allows you to safely and conveniently charge two batteries at the same time. This design is compact, efficient, and perfect for DIY electronics projects. So let's get started and learn how to build this charger step by step. First, we take a plastic pipe and mark it according to our required dimensions. As you can see, the cutting is done neatly to maintain a clean finish. Next, to give the body a proper shape, we use a heat gun. By gently heating the pipe, we transform it into a square-shaped enclosure. After shaping, you can see that the body is now perfectly formed and ready. After that, we take two flat sheet pieces, which were already cut according to the body size. Now, we mark the exact positions where the components will be installed. Based on these markings, we carefully cut the sheet to ensure precise fitting. As you can see, the cutting is clean and accurate. Next, we place the lithium batteries over the prepared sheet and use strong adhesive to securely attach them together. This ensures proper alignment and stability. Once fixed, we carefully place the battery assembly inside the body. As you can see, we have securely fixed the battery holder inside the body using instant glue. We now move on to the most important part, the wiring and electrical connections. Now, we carefully start soldering all the wires. As you can see, we've completed all the basic wiring connections neatly. After that, we take the TP4056 lithium charging module, along with an RGB indicator LED. You can see that the LED is working perfectly. Since we only need charging and full charge indication, we remove the blue LED wire, keeping only the red and green LEDs active. These remaining LED connections are then linked directly to the charging module. Now, we complete the soldering for these connections carefully to maintain clean and strong joints. In this project, we are using two TP4056 charging modules, one for each battery. As you can see, both modules are now prepared and ready. Next, we move on to the remaining connections and complete them step by step. I'll also provide the complete circuit diagram for all these connections so you can easily replicate this project without any confusion. After that, we install on and off switch, which will control the power supply. The switch connections are soldered properly to avoid any loose contact. Following this, we connect the display module, which shows the charging and battery status. The display is connected through the switch, so that it activates only when required. Once all the remaining connections are completed, we double-check everything to ensure accuracy and safety. If you have any doubts or questions regarding the wiring, feel free to ask in the comment section. Finally, after completing all the electrical work, we carefully place all the components inside the body. Using strong adhesive, we fix everything securely so that nothing moves out of place. As you can see, all components are now neatly fitted, giving the project a clean, compact, and professional finish. So friends, now we quickly complete all the remaining wiring connections. After finishing the basic wiring, we take the charger circuit and carefully connect it to the system. To improve safety and durability, we slide a protective sleeve over the joint and apply heat, allowing it to shrink and seal the connection firmly. This not only strengthens the joint but also prevents short circuits. Next, we move on to the enclosure. The plastic body that we prepared earlier has already been refined for a more advanced and clean finish. Now, we start assembling all the body parts together. To fix the components securely, I'm using instant glue, making sure everything stays firmly in place. While fitting the components inside the body, it's very important to work carefully. After that, we take a 2-pin charging socket and quickly complete its wiring. Before closing the body, we use the 4 plastic support pieces that we had cut earlier. These pieces are fitted inside the body to provide proper support and alignment. Once the supports are in place, we position the body panels and drill precise holes so the screws can fit perfectly. This step helps achieve a strong and professional enclosure assembly. So friends, let's quickly finish the remaining connections, and as you can see, all wiring is now fully completed. After drilling, we secure all the parts using screws and tighten them properly. Completed and the enclosure fully assembled, you can see that the project is completely ready for testing. All components are neatly fitted, the wiring is secure, and the build looks clean, compact, and professional. To test this project, friends, we're using 2 lithium batteries along with a multimeter to monitor the voltage and charging status. As you can see on the screen, I'm checking the readings, and it is displaying the current battery status accurately. For testing, notice how the green LED lights up, indicating proper charging. Once the batteries are connected inside the holder and the system is powered, the red LED illuminates, showing active charging. You can also control which battery to charge by toggling the switch to the desired side. Charging will start on the selected side automatically. Friends, let me know in the comments how you found this project, and stay tuned for more updates and advanced DIY tutorials in the next video.